Hello everyone. In this video, we will run the code together. Click on the link below. So the link contains some of the code in blocks. So the first step, or in the first block, we will import the library. So click on the run button on the left of the code. Whenever you run the code, it will import the code libraries associated with the project objective. In case here we can see import tweepy as TW. So tweepy is a Twitter library and pandas is a visualization library. So we will use these two libraries for this code. The next step, we will provide the token for our Twitter data mining. So you can create your token from the link. For now, you don't have to do anything. You just run the code. We have provided the consumer key and secret to mine Twitter data. Go to step 3. In this part, we will check authentication to Twitter. So Twitter will check whatever the API key and API secret we have provided, is it correct or not. So in this 3 line, it will check the authentication to Twitter. We do not have to do anything. We just run the code. In step 4, we can set a search query to search the words. For example, here I can search COVID-19. In the next step, after the running the video, you will have to change your hashtag according to your choice. So you will change here. In step 5, I will request to Twitter data with mention query. So our query is COVID-19 and we will request the data with that tweet. So this line will mine that data for us. Here you can see we mentioned the search words, whatever the COVID-19 we mentioned in the previous line of code. And the language is English. So all the tweets we will get is related to English. And we can change the number of items in here. If you want 5 items or 5 tweets or 10 tweets, you can change it here. So for example, I want 10 tweets. In step 6, mainly we will, whatever the tweets we collected, we will visualize that data. So here you can see we can get tweet ID, tweet text, tweet created at, it means the date and time when the tweet is created, tweet.user.screen name, the username of who posted the tweet, Twitter user ID, and also Twitter language. So now run the code and you can see the output. Here we visualize the Twitter.user.screen name. It means the name of the user who tweets, and the tweet.text. So you can change here according to the list we have provided. And then we can see the data. For example, Fort Hapner user has a tweet with this statement. So there is 10 tweets you can see, and you can filter here as well. So this is the output you can create or you can mine from the Twitter data using this code. Thank you.